It's like a different model, which is great, but the bracelet looks nice, like the clasp. I know that these are extremely great watches.
Harbinger, the centerpiece of this case, the watch itself. So I definitely like it a lot, and I hope he likes it.
And that is a very attractive looking piece. I like the barrel design. You guys know I love my leather.
Ooh, do kind of like that one. And automatic. I do like the black and red strap.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. So this is Graton automatic. That's a very nice watch. So
it is a Breed watch. It's a very, very nice watch, very unique dial.
Breed. Bow. This actually looks pretty damn good.